Hey guys, so today we're going to service this air compressor. We're going to we're going to change the oil in it. Don't know when it was done. It's an air compressor I got off my dad a couple of months back. I'm only getting around to changing the oil now. I don't know if it was ever done at all, but we'll see. I'm not sure. I've never done this before. I've already went ahead and done the air filter. I've already taken that out and cleaned it. It's in perfect condition, so there's no need to replace it. So we just drain the oil. I'm assuming it comes out here. It's a 21mm socket by the looks of it. I'm gonna raise it up and tilt it sideways or tilt it back, sorry, and drain the oil, and we'll see how we get on from there. Okay, so first I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna fill it with air just to let the oil circulate and let it warm up. You know yourself, oil when it's cold, it's thicker. So I want to make it a bit lighter. So I'm gonna turn it on and fill it up now, just before I tilt it back, raise it back, and see how we get on draining the oil. I know it's going to be messy. Now it's full. The oil should be hot. We'll tilt it up. Disengage that. Now we'll see how we get on with the oil. That should be okay. It's very loose, it's only touch tight. Whoa. There's the start of a big mess. Okay, we have as much as we're going to get out. And I have old catch rags, so I'll be able to soak it up here with those and give it a wipe down with the rest I have. Yeah, we'll pull this forward. Okay, that's not so bad. There's only a small, I don't know if you can see it, there's only a small spillage. Now I need this. For some reason, I'm just going to clean off this nut. Seal. Must have been leaking oil or something. Okay, I'm just going to clean this out with a bit of cleaner, just so I can see the see through. Now, Now we'll put this seal back in. I should have really taken this fill plug off first, would have helped. Now I think we just snug this up, you don't tighten it too much. So we'll try and snug it. Now that should be snug. So we are going to put we're going to fill it until we can see. I can't see it anyway. We'll try and fill that with oil now. No, I have to take it easy. Now I'm going to start filling this with oil until I see it hit the center line. I reckon about 300 ml should do it. I've never serviced an air compressor before now, so this, here we go now, here we go. So I can see it here, it's just below the center line, so maybe. There we go, that's the halfway mark here now. I'm just going to clean this here just to get rid of any oil. Then I can check it for leaks later. Okay. Now, I'm just going to drain the air out of it now and just decompress it so I can let any moisture that's in the tank out as well. I'll just move you back here. Just so I can let any moisture that's in the tank out, and we will refill it again and let it cycle. So turn it off. Oh. Not too much moisture in it. Right. Okay, so I'll put our cap back on. I just need a couple of little love taps. Now that's seated in there as well. Okay, we're going to turn it on. See, will the oil level change? Will it drop, go up when it does its cycle? Okay, so it's done its cycle there now. It's warm again. It hasn't seemed to have dropped, so we'll just keep an eye on it. I think we have a little bit of seepage there, so I will probably need to get a new gasket for it. So I think I have some here in the shop anyway, so we'll do it. But other than that, that's it done.